We traveled up north in one of the worst provincial storms in decades, inches away from turning around, and we decided to go for it. With over 3 feet of snow covering the lake, we held her to the bar and got on some lake trout.
He's coming for it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Ready? 3, 2. Smack him. Yes!
Dropped him. He's coming to you or he's chasing me still? No.
He just smacked me. Oh. There you go. There you go. He's coming. Coming.
Yeah.
Yes! We're on. Yeah, I'm up. You're good. Light him.
All right, first fish of the day. Alex is on.
Look at it. Look at all the grab.
Nice.
Little tail grab.
Might have to. In the Muskokas, long ride out, rough ride out, on the perfect jig tube. Small boy, white with the chartreuse tail. Let's keep going.
All right, Phil is on.
It's right there. Pull him out of the hole now.
So as you just seen, Phil was on FaceTime. There we go.
The super tank almost mangled the landing.
Beautiful laker.